So let's start with the Punjab Kings. The big steal for them, 26.75 crore for Shreyas Iyer. This is how they line up. Shreyas Iyer, निहाल वधेरा, प्रभसिमरन सिंह जो उनके रिटेन थे, जॉश इंग्लिश, विष्णु विनोद, थैला अविनाश, हरनूर सिंह. हरनूर इज द शेर पंजाब मैन ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट, जिनके बारे में आपको बता रहा था. 30 lakhs में they've got him for Harnoor Pannu. His full name Harnoor Pannu. And he's an opener. He's ballistic batter, or shayad if things go right for him, he could light up IPL 2025. Then bowlers mein Arshdeep Singh, Yuzvendra Chahal, Lockie Ferguson, Vyashak, Yash Thakur, Kuldeep Sen, Xavier Bartlett. All-rounders Marco Jensen, Marcus Stoinis, Shashank Singh, of course, Glenn Maxwell, dirt cheap price for him. Azmatullah Umarzai, Priyansh Arya, the big buy there. Harpreet Brar, which was a Aaron Hardy, Suryan Shetge, Mushir Khan, again, Sarfaraz's brother, and Praveen Dubey. और पंजाब के लिए प्रियांशु कह रहे हैं they could have done better with 110 CR. Let's get started with you. Would they have done better with 110 CR?
I think some buys were definitely overpriced to me. Like, they definitely ended up spending more money where they could have saved at least a couple of crores. One bid is Priyansh Arya, 3.8. Yes, he's an exciting talent, exciting player, but he's yet to be tested against quality bowling here. I remember one game last year against Karnataka only, where he played the likes of K. Gautam and all with ease in the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. 100 against a very quality UP attack. This year, Bhuvi, Piyush Chawla, Shivam Mavi सब खेल रहे थे, 100 मारा वहां पे. But I know ये कैसे पकड़ा जाता है, because मैं इसको under 14, under 16 days से देख रहा हूँ. So moving ball, तेज ball, अच्छा हिलता है ball तो ये फंसता है. But good player, but 3.8 slightly overpriced. I don't know for what joy Glenn Maxwell is still there. We all know why he's still there. Ricky Ponting, उनका बस चलता, Steve Smith भी आते हैं यहाँ पर. But
Shreyas, पूरी ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम जिसकी पिटाई हुई है पर्थ में वो आ जाती. मार्नस लाबुशेन को ले लेते रिकी पोंटिंग अगर उनका बस चलता तो.
But I think fast bowlers बहुत impressive लग रहे हैं. Kuldeep Sen again can clock 150. I think had a couple of bad years, injury concerns and all those things. But fast bowling looks good. Arshdeep, Lockie, Vijay Kumar, Vyashak, Kuldeep Sen, Yash Thakur, they're skilled bowlers, highly skilled T20 bowlers. So I'm very impressed with their bowling attack. And again, Yuzvendra Chahal, 18 crore, the most expensive specialist spinner in the IPL history.
Absolutely. Yeah. So okay. Let's talk about the different aspects here. Okay. First of all, let's take some comments as well. Sportsman कह रहे हैं Ponting got 5 Aussies in Punjab. Yes, that's there. Gigi. It's not Punjab Super Kings. It's Punjab Kings, by the way. It's Australia Super Kings. ASK इस टीम का नाम होना चाहिए. सुहेल कह रहे हैं having 110 crore, but there is no gun opener in the team. That is a big concern. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, हरनूर पन्नू, हरनूर सिंह जो बैटर्स में हैं, he is going to open. प्रभसिमरन सिंह, he is going to open. So ये आपके gun batters हैं. And then you can make do with your all rounders as well. Somewhere you can just have that lineup properly. हरनूर पन्नू is their big bet to open the innings to start off the thing. I think निहाल वगैरह को भी आप देखोगे कि proper. And Josh Inglis, in fact, he could be given a role to bat up in the order. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके पास top order batters नहीं है, gun opener नहीं है. Josh Inglis को माना जा रहा है, he could be your next Phil Salt, he could be your next Josh Butler. उनको इतना highly rate किया जा रहा है in the T20 circuit. But having said that, let's start with this aspect. जी, Ponting 110 करोड़ जब आपको ऐसे पकड़ा देता है ना कोई, तो प्रेशर उसके बाद बढ़ जाता है कि आपको परफॉर्म करके दिखाना है. एंड लेट्स बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, the Punjab owners also said this very clearly. A lot of work has been done by Ricky Ponting on building this side. Let's be honest, the spotlight will be on Ricky Ponting. 4 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है. Punjab Kings has only one final in their IPL history. They better do something good with this 110 crores. आप देखो यार कितने बड़े बड़े नाम हैं. You spent 26.75 for an IPL winning captain, 18 crores for IPL's best spinner, arguably the best bowler, Arshdeep Singh, the number 2 pace bowler in T20 cricket in India. You have to deliver. You simply have to deliver.
I think बहुत अच्छा. मुझे तो काफी अच्छा स्क्वाड लगा यार. मतलब I think they've got most of their bases covered, and Ricky is obviously looking to make a fresh start here. And I thought getting Arshdeep back for 18 CR was a better deal than पर आप शायद अगर वो रिटेन होते तो शायद ज्यादा मांग रहे होते, तो शायद गिविंग हिम बैक टू द ऑक्शन and then getting him back at 18 was not a bad deal, and getting Yuzi also at 18, I think it's a they've sort of worked on around their bowling, and their bowling looks pretty strong now. I mean, I think Marco Jansen bhi unke paas hi gaye hain, Marco Jansen for around 7 CR. So that's another good buy. They've got decent all-rounder in him. ठीक है, Josh English, as you said, I think he's right now the Australian T20 captain. And extremely explosive player. As you said, going forward, the next big thing. He could be the next big thing. I think he scored 100 when the Aussies came. जो सूर्या की टीम से खेले थे last year December में 5 T20s. I think Josh English has scored 100 against us. Pretty attacking player. सो ओवरऑल अब देखो थोड़ा बहुत तो पॉइंटिंग के साथ होना ही था कि थोड़ा सा वो ऑसी इन्फ्लुएंस आता और 4-5 प्लेयर वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया से लाते, वो तो एक्सपेक्टेड ही था. बट आई थिंक ही इज गॉट अ डिसेंट प्लेयर्स, एंड निहाल वधेरा ऑफ कोर्स प्रूव्ड हिमसेल्फ विद एमआई. Brar वापस आ गए. That's another good news for them. Was a pretty economical spinner, and काफी tight रखते हैं. Mushir Khan again, somebody you can sort of field him at some point in the tournament and hope that जिस तरह का गेम खेलते हैं वो T20 क्रिकेट से अडॉप्ट कर लेंगे. सूर्यान शेट्टी मैंने उनको देखा है जितना यहाँ पर, और वेरी इंप्रेसिव ऑलराउंडर. आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर लखनऊ के साथ LSG के साथ में थे वो. पोटेंशियली वेरी गुड ऑलराउंडर. So overall, and obviously they've retained Shashank, which was a good decision. Prabh Simran है जो कि open भी कर सकते हैं. So I think they've got a lot of options, and a pretty decent squad. Yeah. I mean, I don't buy this theory that they've sort of पैसे उन्होंने उड़ाए हैं. ठीक है, वो एक टीम बनाने को देख रहे हैं. पैसे थे उनके पास, because बहुत सारे प्लेयर उन्होंने छोड़ दिए. तो लेकिन फिर भी, और Maxwell is as you said, is a very cheap buy, and you never know with Maxwell what he brings to the table. Same with Stoinis. ये दोनों थोड़े unpredictable player है.
Yeah, and I think they've got some really good buys. If you look at Parampreet, is very impressed with their batting, and I'm assuming Parampreet is a big Punjab Kings fans. Prabh Simran, English, Stoinis, Maxwell, Nehal, Shashank, Jansen, Brar, Arsh, Yash, Thakur. मतलब आप देखो इसमें इन्होंने यूजी चहल का तो अभी नाम ही नहीं लिया. इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर को यूजी चहल बना दिया है. ओके, बैटिंग टिल 9, 7 bowling options, batting depth, great team. So he's happy. You look at this. We'll take all your questions. We'll take team-wise options. अभी यहाँ पर हम पंजाब के हैं. Jayant Kumar कह रहे हैं they should have gone for an opener. Like we discussed, English can open. Like we discussed, Prabh Simran can open. Harnoor Pannu, like I've told you before, Harnoor Pannu has opened in Sher Punjab T20. Punjab T20 reigning champions in Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. अभी चल रहा है. They're defending their crown. Harnoor Pannu satellite शेरे पंजाब. तो उन्होंने अपना होमवर्क किया है. They bought him for 30 lakhs, and if he fires, then you will not be complaining. But overall, Manuja, overall, I mean the balance looks pretty decent. I mean, you look at the big buys. They're saying Kiran Kumar is saying shocking that David Warner is unsold. He's a good option for Punjab and could have been captaincy material. I mean, look, if not Iyer, but they got Iyer, right? 26.75. Let's talk about that, Manuja. You got the IPL winning captain. Ricky Ponting loves Shreyas Iyer. All of us were wrong. We thought they'd go after Rishabh Pant. They went after Shreyas Iyer. There is a reason, yeah.
I think everybody's talking about Punjab spending. If you have the money, spend it.
Yeah.
I mean, anybody had that kind of money would have opened their purses. So, I mean, why not? I mean, you went in with a strategy. And what I really like about Punjab is for every position, they have a plan A and they have a plan B.
Yes.
Like Harnoor Singh, like you've been, after you spoke about him, Chetan, I actually went and looked up some videos of him. I think he's phenomenal. He knows the surface. He knows the conditions.
Yes.
So they already have somebody there. So your investment, and he's a long-term investment. Yes. He's not your, fly-by-night, okay, one season and gone. So, you can give him a long rope even if he
In fact, Manuja, let me just add here. Mumbai Indians have their eye on Harnoor Pannu. लेकिन वो auction dynamics ऐसे बनते हैं ना. Auction dynamics आपके ऐसे बनते हैं. So Mumbai could not go for Harnoor Pannu. So Mumbai Indians had their eye on Harnoor Pannu. And if Mumbai Indians have their eye on you, तुम आप मामूली player नहीं हो. Anyway, go on, please.
And if I'm not wrong, he also attended, I think, 3 trials. Mumbai, Punjab, and RR, if I'm not wrong.
RR,
so obviously, if Rahul Dravid also thinks that you're something.
Absolutely.
So, yeah. So you obviously have something in you, and it's just not like, hit and go. The bowling attack, pacers, just look at the options they have. It's clearly a very well thought of strategy where Ponting has, if Ponting has been given the freedom, he's taken ownership of what is coming to the table. Risk factors, Chetan, is very few here in terms of your Indian core has been built for a period of time. I like the fact that they got Vishnu Vinod. And as much as this thing, look at the number of wicket-keeping options you have. You have an ABC for every position. Not many teams can boast of that.
Okay,
and,
one more thing
Maxwell
here.
will always be a bone of contention.
Yeah, look, Maxwell is not going to play all 14 games here. And before we move on, very quickly, Parampreet says Iyer and Stoinis must have 400-500 run season for Punjab to go ahead. Look, यहाँ पे मैं आपको ये कहूँगा, when you talk about the Indian core, आप श्रेयस अय्यर को ले लो, आप निहाल वधेरा को ले लो, ठीक है, आप अर्शदीप को ले लो, आप यूजी चहल को ले लो, maybe you pick one between यश ठाकुर and कुलदीप सेन, और वहां पे शशांक सिंह, ठीक है, ये जो आपके पास 5-6 खिलाड़ी हैं, ये आपको हर मैच खेलता हुआ नजर आएंगे. They need to have their big seasons, which is going to be pivotal for Punjab Kings. उसके बाद आप अपना overseas कर लो. Sahil, coming to you with this. But, you look at the likes of Shreyas Iyer and Nehal Vadera and Shashank Singh, they will have much more defined roles. Shreyas Iyer didn't have a defined batting role at KKR. Nehal Vadera was batting far lower down the order than he should have. You had everybody up there in Mumbai Indians, uske baad Tilak Verma bhi tha, and then you had Nehal Vadera coming in all. Lekin yahan par, they're going to have prominent roles. Last year, Shashank Singh was batting as low as 6. This year, I think he's going to bat a lot higher, and they could have a much higher impact. And I think that is something that's really good.
No, I think Shreyas Iyer has to bat at number 3 throughout the season. I think that's the position which should suit him. Same for Rishabh Pant when we talk later in this series. But Shreyas Iyer at 3, you have Nehal Vadera at 4, a left-hander. Then you have Marcus Stoinis, Shashank Singh to apply those finishing touches. I think they have a very good, and I think why they haven't gone heavy on a very known or a big name as an opener, they just want fearless young players just going there and just tonking it left, right, and center in the first 6 overs. That's it. That's the template, and that's what these buys suggest. चाहे वो निहाल, चाहे वो प्रभ हो, चाहे वो हरनूर हो, चाहे वो प्रियांश आर्या हो, ये तीनों बैट रोकने वाले नहीं है. वो आर या पार वाला मामला होने वाला है. आयाराम गयाराम लगा तो बाहर जाएगा, वरना ये डगआउट में वापस जाएंगे. बट अप्रोच वही रहने वाला है. Yeah.
Which is good because Ricky Ponting had Jake Fraser McGurk like that, and now he wants other batters to play in that